What do you think, Maria? It's pretty, right? Yeah, everyone's got the same thing. That's right, not right here. This is where they do the campfire at night. Oh my gosh, Maria, look at the steam coming off the pool. I don't know if you're able to see it from the video, but look at the steam coming off the pool because it's so cold outside. Little monkey. All right, so we are all checked out of Port Orleans. We're gonna chill out and hang here a little bit because we're just going over to All Stars after this, and you know this is a nicer hotel resort, so it's a little chilly outside today, so there's like no kids here on the playground, but it's perfect for her so she can have a little bit of fun because we don't want to just go to another resort and then just sit in the room for the next 24 hours. A little bit that we can. They even have heating lamps there if we want to sit. Alright, we just made it to Disney Springs. We're trying to kill some time, so you know, of course, what my first stop is always. The Dockside Margarita stand. Ooh, that's good. They have a new flavor this time. It's the Chipotle Pineapple. Very good. You want me to take it? Alright. Now we're headed to World of Disney, and let's see, hopefully we can limit how much we spend here. That's like the old school from like the 80s. What about those little houses? You like this one? What about these little houses? Oh, now they have these. Actually, not too far. It's right there.
And that don't look bad. That look good. For the price, that don't look bad.
No. Oh, Disney's not gonna put you in anything bad. This is the worst of the worst.
We still earn money already.
Yep. We're lucky we're here.
Alright.
Alright, that's gonna be the stairs. So it's usually elevators usually in the center. Careful, baby.
And what are you gonna do with the lorry? Laura, you go back over there?
Yeah, I'll go back. I'll check in like an hour. This is your daddy should be staying here, Lucia.
Yeah, drink and play.
Daddy should be staying in this hotel.
Yes. Daddy likes football.
Alright, excuse my sunburned face. We are headed once again for a second dinner tonight. Lucia said she wanted another cheeseburger. So we're in our pajamas and I look crazy. I have no makeup on. My face is all like 3rd-degree sunburns. But if the little one is hungry, we gotta go help her out. So I think they have like a pajama dance off, like a dance thing in the lobby I saw. So I might go.
Hello.
Hi. I might go swing by and check that out on our way. We might see because we're both in our matching pajamas. So it's like 8 o'clock, 8:15, so it's not too late. But yeah, we literally just got a cheeseburger for her at 5, so that was like 2.5 hours ago. It's kind of like why I like the value resorts because they decorate the windows.
Thank you so much.
We didn't find the pajama party, but we found a bracelet making.
You guys want black, white, or rainbow?
Black, white, or rainbow? The beads?
String.
Oh, white is fine.
Open your wrist. I need your wrist, buddy. And a whole bunch of others that I would love to see. However, unfortunately, I do not.
Alright, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If we're not already friends, please go ahead and give this a like and stick around, subscribe. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye! Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.